Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Let's get the charts up on the screen. It is a hot one today. Holy smokes. All right, so let's see what we got going on this morning, guys. Looks like we're retesting. We're fitting to retest 2 cents 5 again. We've been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Today will be the seventh time if we get rejected. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we can see a breakout today, but we need to see some volume, guys. I keep saying it that we need volume. We still don't have any. There's still only 82 million in volume, right? We need to see like a solid 3, 4, 500 million in volume. I would love even 200 million in volume. That would be fantastic. We could see a nice breakout then, but right now, I don't know. We could break out, but I mean, it kind of looks like we're just going to reject off again, guys. RSI's nice and low, just below neutral into oversold. Very nice, very nice. But yeah, we could just basically it's all we're waiting for, guys. We're just waiting for volume to come back into the market at this point. I'm hoping now that the German government is finished selling off for the most part. I'm hoping, that's gonna do something. But I think that that big cash injection of 16 billion from the FTX creditors, that's going to be a nice liquidity injection into the market. So we'll have to see what happens. But all right, guys, let's get into the chat. As usual, guys, make sure you smash the likes and subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. That would be awesome. But also, guys, if you want to book your one-on-one coaching sessions, jump over to the Patreon. Links right there in the chat. Brian, what's up, buddy? Rob Father. I'm getting excited about these dips. I backed the truck up, dumped more money into my portfolio. Nice. That's how it's done, buddy. That is how the bread is made. William, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Crypto Homes in the house. What's up, man? Only a couple more months till hockey season, but we're counting the days already, eh? Kevin, what's up, Big Kev? What's up, Crypto Fam? Rob, you the man? Alpha incoming. Absolutely. We got the alpha. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes. Big Dog, what's up, Nicholas? Good to see you, man. Germany finally dry? Yes, absolutely, man. Danny, you can never have enough Jasmy. I agree. Richie Rich, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Danny, hey, fam, what's going on? Javin, happy Friday. Absolutely, my friend. Absolutely. I hope you guys are going to have yourselves a fantastic Friday. I'll be working all night, but I'll be wishing I was home streaming. Big Watch Dude in the house. What's up, man? Fast Too Curious. What's up, fam? What's up, Robin Gang? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Ty, good afternoon, my friend. What's up, man? Gang is all here. Just missing a few people, but we'll get into it anyway. So look, guys, like I said, it's possible we could break to the upside here. It's possible maybe we break to the upside. Maybe we get our way up to 2 cents 7.5. That'd be nice if we can break through 2 cents 5 resistance and even just consolidate inside of this little range between 2 cents 5 and 2 cents 7.5. That would be nice to see. That would be nice if we can wait inside of there for some volume. I just want to get through this 2 cent 5 level of resistance. We've bounced. We've been rejected 6 times off of it now. So I would like to see a little bit of progression to the upside here. Jesse and James, what's up, man? Yo, Rob, happy Friday for you, brother. Happy Friday, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's see a crypto future pump. Absolutely. Lily's in the house. What's up? Good to see you. Whew, guys, it's hot in here today. I'm sweating. Holy smokes. All right. So I'm going to get into the news, guys. So if you have any projects you want me to look at, bring up any charts, you have any questions, just fire it over in a super chat and I will get right to it. But I'm going to get into the news. We got quite a bit to go over. Guys, I recorded some awesome videos this morning, too, that are coming out over today and tomorrow. Very exciting stuff. There's some massive breaking news with XCN that's coming out. There's some massive Jasmy news I made videos on that are coming out. I was really excited making videos this morning. Big stuff, guys. Big stuff. All right. We'll get into one of those things right now. Announcement from Hara says Optima Solutions published an article about JASMY's acquisition of ISMS. An ISMS information security management system is a framework for managing the security of an organization's information assets. JASMY will apply risk management process to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information, and to provide confidence that risks are properly managed. I did an entire video breaking this down, guys. This is big news, so definitely don't want to miss that. I think it comes out in the morning, so stay tuned for that video, guys. Big breakdown there. What do we got? Courtesy Little Bid Man. He says a nice write-up of Cybertrust that recaps recent achievements and partnerships, mentions JASMY, Canon, NEC, Skycom, and many others. Check it out, guys. From jpinvesting.com. In addition, the company's iTrust identity verification service was linked with JASMY's personal data locker of JASMY Co. When creating accounts such as local securities and point services, we will achieve strict identity verification online. In addition, it announced that the company's iTrust identity verification service has been adopted for Canon Market Japan Co. Ltd's personal authentication card reader ID My for financial institutions. Nice. Very nice. As you can see, they mentioned JASMY and their partnership. And if you don't know Cybertrust, guys, they are also connected with JASMY via the Japanese government partnership with the My Number card, which is being integrated into the Apple iPhones. So a lot going on there, guys. A lot to unpack. Very bullish. All right. Senator Cynthia Loomis says the U.S. government's Bitcoin reserves can help strengthen the dollar. Check this out. Let's talk about it.
But we want to make sure people can have individual wallets for their Bitcoin, so they have that sovereign over their own money. We know we want the US dollar to remain strong. And actually having Bitcoin in reserve can help the US dollar remain strong. But we want to make sure.
I agree. I do agree. Look what it's doing, just having Bitcoin on reserves, like on the balance sheets for companies like MicroStrategy. So she's definitely onto something there. She's definitely onto something. All right, Michael Vandepop. CPI came in lower than expected, and the likelihood of rate cuts in September has significantly increased. The 2-year yields on Treasury bonds has fallen to the lowest level since March 11th. Bitcoin peaked at 73K then, and is currently at 58K due to the sell-off from Germany and Mt. Gox. I don't think there's really been much of a sell-off from Mt. Gox, honestly, guys. I think there was more fear getting priced into the market of people from Mt. Gox selling, but from what I know, there hasn't been too much selling from Mt. Gox. So he says it's only a matter of time before we're back at all-time highs. I agree. And we got the government of Germany update here. The German government has 3.8 846 BTC, approximately 221.36 million left. This is a meager 7.7% of the total Bitcoin. I think he accidentally put a point in there. It's supposed to be 3,846. So, but yeah, they only have 7.7 left at this point in time, guys. The amount of Bitcoin that the German government has left is not enough to move the market anymore. So you might as well just say they're out completely, because again, the amount that they have, even if they sold it in one chunk, wouldn't even really move the needle because of the inflows from the ETFs and stuff like that. It wouldn't really move the needle. So we're basically in the clear with the German government at this point. So that is freaking awesome. Very bullish. That will start to bring confidence back into the market, in my opinion. And then, of course, Steph is still tracking the cup and handle pattern on the weekly time frame for JASMY. He targets 62 cents He says, Jasmine shaping the cup and handle. This larger cup and handle formation on the weekly right now is not the time to give up or flip bearish. I agree. I agree. We're staying on top of it, guys. Hopefully it plays out. That would be epic. That would be epic. All right, and what else do we got here? Metal Lawman says, remember, the SEC did not spontaneously come to its senses that the BUSD stablecoin is not a security. Exactly 2 weeks ago, Judge Berman Jackson ruled in the Binance case that the SEC had failed to articulate any plausible claim that BUSD is a security. So my question that I asked yesterday remains relevant. The SEC completely destroyed a company and then dropped the charges after the company was completely destroyed. Why are there no consequences for these actions? Somebody should face some sort of penalty for this reckless behavior that's being taken by the SEC. This is completely reckless behavior. The SEC, Gary Gensler has the audacity to reference the crypto market and utilize words such as reckless. And then he does something like this. He completely destroyed a company, putting thousands of people out of work, destroying it completely, and then going, we changed our mind, we'll drop the charges. This man needs to be penalized for his actions. Why would you not fire him for that? Anyway, pisses me off, right? But what are you going to do? Steph says, bears are getting crushed. Tens of millions in liquidity are accumulating between 3 cents 8 and 4 cents 5. So as we see right here, guys, and right up here, and you may ask, what does that mean if you don't know? Well, these are shorts, right? So when JASMY hits 3 cents 8 and then 4 cents 5, all these people are going to be liquidated, which is going to cause a short squeeze, which is going to drive JASMY's price somewhere up, probably around that 9 cent level. So very, very bullish waiting on that as well. That's why you don't play with leverage, guys. Get liquidated. Wrecked Capital, BTC. Every time Bitcoin tried to challenge the downtrend for a breakout recently, it got rejected. Bitcoin is on the cusp of another downtrend challenge. Can Bitcoin do it this time? As we see right here, guys. We do have the Bitcoin chart up as well. I'll bring it up right now. As you can see, right now, guys, it's at resistance at 5 cents. It's 5 cents. 58,400 again, right? We've been rejected there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 days in a row we've been rejected at 58.4. Can we break through resistance today? If we can get up above 58.4 and close a daily candle above this blue line, that would be freaking awesome. Freaking awesome. So we'll see what happens. Let's go back over here. All right. Now, I'm going to play something for you guys. Now, some of you are going to know exactly where I'm going with this video, right? Before I even say anything, right? You're going to know exactly what I'm thinking. But listen up.
AT&T customer, you got to listen to this. The company just revealed that nearly all of its customers, more than 100 million people, have been hit by hackers in a massive data breach, exposing their text messages and their phone logs. Joining us now, NBC News business and data correspondent Brian Chug. This is awful.
Yeah, it's a big deal. And basically what AT&T disclosed this morning is that during a period between May and roughly the end of October in 2022, basically all phone calls and text messages were accessed illegally by some bad actor. Now, for what's worth, AT&T says that the contents of phone calls and text messages were not included in the breach, but merely the text numbers that you reached out to, or basically whoever you were calling or texting, those numbers were identifiable. And even though there's no personal...
Why are they confident of that?
Well, that's what they say. Again, we're looking into this, and law enforcement officials are working with AT&T to try to figure out the nature of exactly what happened here. They do say that one person was apprehended, at least one person was apprehended, but law enforcement officials are continuing to work with not just AT&T, but the FCC, the Federal Communications Commission, in investigating exactly what happened.
So what are they telling customers about what to do in the face of this?
Well, they're telling customers to just be aware of any sort of unusual activity. If you get any sort of spam or phishing messages by email, it could be linked to this information that was illegally accessed. But they also say that they're working quickly to try to resolve the vulnerability that was related in this instance, and then also advising customers that they'll provide any updates.
So they got text message, phone logs. Any indication that they got emails or any info like that?
Yeah, so it just seems to be limited to phone calls and text messages. And again, the contents were, according to AT&T, not allegedly part of that. So basically, let's say, for example, there's a text message between me and my mom. They saw the phone numbers that were involved in that particular exchange, but they don't know what was said or exchanged. But again, we don't know what's been done with this information. We don't know if this is being, released or sold somewhere. Yeah. Regardless, someone accessed this illegally, and they're trying to look into it.
All right, Brian Chung. Brian, thank you very much.
Virtually all of AT&T's customers' data was stolen. Who could solve this problem? I don't know. Maybe you guys know. Who could solve a data theft issue for a major global company? I don't know. Big breaking news. China started buying Bitcoin. Hong Kong's ETFs have bought Bitcoin worth $24 million this week. So Hong Kong stepping up their game. Good to see, guys. Good to see. More from Michael Van de Popp. Says Saxony, a German state, has sold almost all seized Bitcoin. They held 3.5 billion Bitcoin, 50,000 BTC, and are left with approximately 300 million, that's it, likely to be sold today. It's incredible that this sell pressure has been absorbed and that Bitcoin's price is around 60K. I agree. The ETF issuers stepped up and just started buying up everything. You love to see it, guys. You love to see that. What else do we got? Check it out. Max Kaiser explains how the risk of buying Bitcoin today is less than it has ever been.
The risk of buying Bitcoin today is less than it's ever been. So it's less risky to buy Bitcoin at 65, 70,000 than it was to buy it at $5. You're taking less risk. And so you have the benefit of not being exposed to all that risk for all these years, because the market is more established, it's deeper, there's more players, and the use case and everything is more developed. So the risk reward ratio has never been better. So you're making a risk off investment. It's not a risk on investment. It's a risk off investment. And number two is that you have no choice, because the fiat money world and everything that's not Bitcoin is going to zero against Bitcoin. So if you're not in Bitcoin, whatever it is you're in is going to zero against Bitcoin. So if you buy Bitcoin today, in 5 years' time, your purchasing power against everything else, fiat money, gold, property, will be considerably better. So just look 5 years down the road. And do you want your purchasing power to be mathematically guaranteed to be higher? Or do you want your purchasing power to mathematically be lower, as it would be the case with fiat money and anything else that's not Bitcoin? So those are two pretty simple questions. And then you should start to build your Bitcoin portfolio and scale into it, or dollar cost average into it, or start to build your portfolio. And then the funny thing about money is that at a certain point, money becomes fucking stupid. Like, most people who have more than, I forget the exact number, but most people who have more than a few $100,000, let's say $500,000, they don't really think about it. I mean, if you have no need for it, unless you're buying a jet or a yacht or something, most people And I worked in wealth management and on Wall Street for many years. And most people, you're dealing with wealthy people. And a lot of times, you're talking to people and say, so, what are you worth? And where are your assets? And they'll be like, I don't know. I don't think about it. I'm busy playing tennis. I don't give a shit. They've got fuck you money. And that fuck you money number is very low, actually, And in 5 years, if you start to buy Bitcoin now, in 5 years' time, I would predict you'll be at a fuck you money moment where you're not going to be chasing money. You'll be like, I'm not worried about money. I have now, I'm worried about sinking this putt, on the 18th green, that's what I'm worried about.
Whatever you're in is going to zero against Bitcoin. I love that. Absolutely. And of course, you guys know, I can't wait to catch the clips from this, guys. But Donald Trump to speak at the world's largest Bitcoin conference this month, guys. That's huge. Nashville. Trump is coming for you guys. I wish I could be there for that. That's going to be awesome. And it's funny because Trump's literally speaking at the largest Bitcoin conference in the world annually, and nobody even wants Biden to be there, right? Like, he's not even invited. That's how much the crypto industry is against him. And look at this. I had to like this guy. He's starting to get to a point where it irritates me. BitBoy, right? He's like, remember when I told you that this crypto advisor, this guy he calls Mr. X. So basically, he's implying here that he has second level connections at the White House. Is now what BitBoy's saying, right? Here's the thing. I'm getting sick and tired of this guy because does he seriously think that anyone believes that there's secondary people in the White House that would dish private and personal confidential information to a man who can't shut up online? This man could not hold a secret to save his life. He's got the biggest mouth I've ever seen, right? And people in the White House are going to leak secrets to him. Like, the audacity of this guy to be out there saying he's got these kind of connections is just absurd, right? He said that his connection, Mr. X, remember, some of you guys weren't here for the last bull run, but in the last bull run, he was saying that this Mr. X connection that he has told him that Cardano was going to be $10 and that the XRP case was going to end in September of 2021. That didn't happen. None of that shit happened. This guy's full of it. He just does it for clicks. And it gets irritating to me because I'm a Christian and this guy claims to be a Christian and he just constantly lying online and stuff like that. So it frustrates me sometimes. He didn't learn anything. His life was destroyed by losing his company. He didn't learn anything. He didn't grow. He didn't change. He's worse than he was before. So what do we got? Grok. Check it out, guys. Jasmy community seems to have enough optimism to power a small country. Check this out. So somebody asked Grok, do you think Jasmy can reach $1? Grok's response, well, based on the tweets and information provided, there seems to be a mix of opinions on whether Jasmy can reach $1. Some are optimistic, like Adrian Gray, who believes Jasmy will hit $1 sooner rather than later, while others, like Collingborn, predict a more conservative $1.20 by the end of the year. Then there's a crypto analytics who sees Jasmy as a 40x way away from $1, but also acknowledges the possibility of getting closer over time. It's like watching a tennis match, except instead of a ball, it's a cryptocurrency bouncing back and forth between predictions. Will it hit $1? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure. The Jasmy community seems to have enough optimism to power a small city. I love it. I love it. What else do we got? U.S. Bitcoin ETFs saw $79 million in inflows yesterday, the fifth straight day. So we're at 5 days in a row of inflows on these spot Bitcoin ETFs. Again, guys, the momentum is shifting in the market. Very, very good to see, guys. And if, like, a lot of people don't understand here, okay? So listen, the amount of money, $16 billion to creditors, to retail creditors, from the FTX scandal, right? They're getting back $16 billion. Now they're getting this back in stable coin, not in Bitcoin, not in anything else, right? They're getting it back in stable coin, which is incredibly bullish. If it was in Bitcoin, it would be bearish and people would be scared that all these people were going to sell. But because it's in stable coin, even if every single one of them took their money and sent it back to their bank accounts, wouldn't affect the market at all in a negative way because it's a stable coin, right? So in saying that, I think a massive chunk of this $16 billion is going to get injected back into the crypto market, probably back into Bitcoin, back into some altcoins, stuff like that, right? And to put in perspective for you the potential impact of what that could be, well, we all saw the negative impact of Germany selling $3 billion worth, just $3 billion worth of BTC. Look how hard the market's been crashing, right? Well, look at FTX, 16 billion coming back into the market, right? That is the effect versus, that's the positive effect versus the negative effect of what happened with Germany, right? So we may very well see a massive influx and a massive pump coming with this stablecoin money coming back to retail investors from crypto. Very, very bullish, guys. Little perspective for you there. What else do we got? Boom, check it out. JP Morgan says crypto market will rebound in August. What do you guys think? Will we see a green August? I don't know. We'll find out, I suppose. Let's check in on the Dixie, guys, as we always do. What's she doing? Boom. Look at that beautiful downward spiral on the Dixie. Big red candle yesterday, big red candle today. Double top pattern going on. Boom, boom. Let's see a massive dump to the downside here on the dollar, guys. Very, very bullish for risk on assets like crypto. You love to see it. You love to see it. All right. Let's go back over to the JASMY chart. Hopefully we can break through resistance here. All right, let's get back into the chat, see what everybody's talking about. Holmes, yep, Edmonton has been listed as an early cup favorite for next season. Florida lost 2 good D-men and really did not do too much on the offseason. Yeah, it's hard once you win a cup, right? It's hard to kind of, bring this, make much change at all. You're going to lose some players as usual, but Monkey Snake, what's up, man? Do you believe Pepe has more to give? JASMY for the win. Yes, I do believe it's got quite a bit more to give, my friend. I do. Apparently, Genesis has been selling a large amount of BTC as well. Yeah, I read that. So hopefully they're just about done as well. Beebs, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Liquidity, what's going on? What's up, future crypto millionaires? Hope everyone's good. Liquidity, DXY is dropping. Sell pressure practically gone. Yeah, ETF pump incoming. Absolutely, man. Big Kev, what's up, buddy? U.S. Congressman Tom Emmer calls for SEC chair to fire SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Yes, I'm backing that, brother. Hey, Rob and JASMY family, what's up, man? What's up? Good time for a data locker. Yeah, exactly. You saw what I was doing there. Dwayne, JASMY, absolutely, man. Great time for a PDL. Ryan, what's up, buddy? It's been a while. How you been, man? Aloha, my friend. Watcher Guru posted that the German government has officially sold all of its BTC. Is that true? Essentially, yeah. They only have like 7% left, which is not really enough to affect the markets anymore. So, Nick, what's up, buddy? Hello, Rob. JASMY gang, I'm pretty busy working. Just wanted to say hello. Hold on strong, diamond hands all the way. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Nick, for popping in. Thanks for supporting us, man. Shane, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Crypto Kool-Aid, what's up, JASMY community? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Rosa, how's it going? Hey, Rob, my house is always bullish on JASMY. I love to see it, man. I love to see it. Galaxy Shooter, what's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Wow, I am roasting it so hot in here, guys. Unbelievable. So, yeah, all right. Well, we're all caught up on the news, guys, and we're caught up on the chat. So, what do we got? Beebs, I hope we get to hear Gary Gensler's tapes. Yes, I know. I'm looking forward to seeing his emails get leaked via that FOIA request. That would be awesome. Anyway, guys, so that's the news for the day. As always, I'm going to start getting ready for the gym. We got to hit in a workout and then head to work. So, guys, have a safe, fantastic Friday. Thank you, as always, for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Again, guys, make sure you are picking up Make sure you're booking your one-on-one coaching sessions over on the Patreon. I only have a couple spots left, guys. I'm running out of spots. The link is down below for that. DDM, this is not good news. If Bitcoin is massively adopted, we're all going to die. Yes. Yeah, we're done, man. We are done like dinner. Absolutely. All right, guys. As always, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for the support. I love this community, man. I will see you guys tomorrow for the morning live stream. Have a fantastic Friday, guys. Be safe.